Hi, kindergarten. Over the past couple of weeks, we have been studying long vowels with silent or sneaky E at the end of words. Let's review. What is a vowel? So vowels are letters in the alphabet, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Now, so far, we've studied A, I, O, and U. But we have one more vowel left, and that is letter E. Now, long E is completely different from what we have been learning with our other vowels because long vowel E still will say its name, E, but it has to work in a vowel team. Now, what are vowel teams? So, some vowel sounds need to be spelled with two letters or two vowels together, so they work as a team. Let's look at the first vowel team. So the first vowel team that we are going to be talking about today is the vowel team E, E. So with many vowel teams, the team will have the vowel sound of the first letter in the team. So here we see our vowel team EE. Now we only will say the first letter sound E when we sound out this word. So for example, we see the word of f-e-t. When we blend it together, we get feet. We do not say f-e-e-t. The team works together to say long vowel E one time. Okay, so let's look at some examples. We'll do the first one together and then I want you to try the rest of them on your own. Okay, so we have our vowel team here, EE. Now remember, this letter E is telling the first E to say its name. So when I sound out this word, I say ba-e. And when I blend it together, ba-e, I get the word bee. Great job. Now the next two I want you to try on your own. Okay, so you have your vowel team E here. Remember, you're not saying E twice. This team member is telling E to say its name. So say each sound and blend it together to get your word. Let's check. Did you say green? So the sounds are g, e, n. When we blend it together, we get the word green. Great job. Let's try one more with this vowel team. Okay, you have your vowel team E here. Say the sounds, blend it together to get your word. Let's check. Did you say C? So the sounds are S, E. When I blend the sounds together, I get the word see. Great job. Now, let's look at our other vowel team that we are going to be studying this week. So our vowel team is E, A. So remember, with many of our vowel teams, the team will have the vowel sound of the first letter in the team. So we see our team as E-A. But A stays silent and tells E to say its name. So when I sound out this word, I get ba-e-na. I do not say ba-e-a-na. The A stays silent and tells E to say its name. So let's look at some examples. Let's do the first one together. So I see I have my vowel team E and A, but remember A stays silent and is telling E to say its name. So let's sound it out. Ba-e-ch. Okay, sound it out with me. Ba-e-ch. When I blend those sounds together, I get the word beach. Nice job. Now the next two I want you to try on your own. Okay, so here you have your vowel team. Remember, A stays silent and is telling E to say its name. So say each sound, blend it together to get your word, and then we'll check it. Okay, let's check. Did you say clean? So the sounds are k, l, e, n. When I blend the sounds k, l, e, n, I get the word clean. Great job. Let's try one more. Okay, remember, you have your vowel team here. A stays silent and is telling E to say its name. So say each sound, blend it together to get your word, and then we'll check it. Okay, let's check. Did you say dream? So when I say the sounds d, e, m, I get the word dream. Nice job. Okay, so be sure to check your Seesaw account this week for more vowel team activities. Remember, the long vowel E says its name, but it has to work in a team.